Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on the Tasks feature. In this video, we will show you how tasks are assigned, updated, and monitored. Task is a feature on Poimapper. It can be used in situations where teams need to provide and get feedback on the data points they are working on. To create a task, log into the Poimapper portal. Click on the Form Builder option in the menu bar. To create task forms, we need to have access to or create a form using the Advanced Form Builder option. Scroll through the field types on the leftmost window until you see the task field. You have the option to create tasks as a main form or as a subform. When a task form is created as a main form, it will be displayed on the form list like other main forms. It is not linked to any other form in the form list. If it is created as a subform, users can only interact with it if it exists within a main form. Let's create a task as a main form. After adding the task form, delete the main form above it. Click on the plus sign next to the task form to open and view the field types contained. The task form has the following predefined questions. 1. A name field, for giving the task an identifier. 2. Task definition, used to give the instructions for fulfillment of tasks. 3. Assign to, used to determine who gets assigned a task. 4. Task status. 5. Assignment date. 6. Start, done and due dates. 7. Approval fields for the task. Apart from the predefined fields, you can add other field types to the task form except subforms. For example, dynamic tables, text fields, and integers. To add a field type, click on any of the existing fields, go to the selector tile, and click on any of the field types that you want to add. Create a question text. After creating your task form, make sure to give the task a name and save the form. Once the form is saved, go back to the data viewer. Click on Add Data to find the task form. Now I will show you how tasks can be used as subforms, how to create a task, and how you can use tasks in your team to achieve your data objectives. In our example, we will use an instance of the ISO 9001 form. As the internal auditor, I will create a task for one of my team members, Bill. We will use the assessment question in the subform, 4.4.2 Integrated Management System and its processes. First, we determine if the statement is applicable. If it is applicable, and the non-compliance options are selected, the task form fields will be displayed in order to add the corrective actions. The task name is the field that helps the assigned user identify the task in the app. The task definition is used to give instructions on how to go about handling the task. Note that it is very important to have a clear task name and task definition to make sure the assigned task is completed successfully. Assign the task to the desired user, you will see an update to the task status field. The option assigned is auto-selected. The assignment date will also auto-select the current date. Click Return, and note that the question has been colored red. This is because it requires a corrective action. Save the form, a task notification will be sent to the assigned user. Open the email to view the notification. The notification will contain the name of the task description, the deadline, and a task URL that enables users to open it on the portal or on the mobile apps. Click on the URL to open the task in the mobile app. It can be found on the To-Do page. This page sorts tasks chronologically from oldest to most recent. Click on the task name to open the assigned task. Change the task status to In Progress. Scroll to the task definition field. Here you can view the requirements that need to be addressed in order to complete the task. In this instance, the task definition asks us to attach documents. I will attach the document and change the status of the task to Done. Select the internal auditor as the person to approve the task and then click Save. Go back to the portal and log in as the person who assigned the task. On the data viewer, click on Tasks to load the tasks table. This table contains all the tasks that have been assigned, chronologically, from newest to oldest in descending order. If a task has not been completed, a reminder message may be sent to the assigned user. To use this feature, mark the checkbox to the left of the task name. Click on the Send Reminders button. An email notification will be sent to the person to whom the task was assigned. It is important to note that the Tasks button is not available on the data viewer if no tasks have been assigned. For tasks that have status Done, we need to open them and confirm that the corrective actions have been applied. If satisfied, on the status questions, select the option, Approved. make sure to save the task form. If you go back to the task view, you should see that the status column has been updated. The status cell on our Add Missing Documents task should show the task as approved. This completes the task tutorial video. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or need support, please contact us at support@poimapper.com.